Delray Beach, Florida at Dadas, a restaurant here on the beach, and I wanted to do a pour tonight. I'm doing live art, so I'm going to just go ahead and get started. So I've already got my silicone in my paints. I'm using my regular pouring medium that I always do, and I'm just going to go ahead and get to layering. Start with my white in the bottom. Using Creative Inspiration paints and Artist Loft paints. And I'm gonna do a 4-cup flip cup tonight. So I'm sticking with my blues like I always do. Sticking with the ocean theme since I'm down here by the beach. Might as well anyway, right? My colors I'm using tonight are phthalo blue, titanium white, Payne's gray, a little bit of metallic cobalt blue, and a little bit of black just for the contrast. Followed up with my Payne's gray. Payne's gray is probably one of my favorite colors. So mix the Payne's gray in with the black. If you really want a deep, dark black or rich black, mix your Payne's gray in with your black. It'll create like this richness. And you won't be able to see it, but you can definitely tell. Almost down to the end of my colors. I think I'm gonna have my white as the top color as well. I'm not gonna fill my cups all the way to the top. This is a 10 by 20 inch canvas, and I normally do 3 cups on this, but I didn't want to stretch them too much because I wanted the cells to show up. So a little bit of black at the top. My silicone spray with me tonight, so hoping that the paint's going to release from the cups well. So I'm just going to let those sit for a second. Perfect. I got a perfect pour. See inside the cup? It's already beautiful. Oh my gosh. See that? See inside of it? Awesome. Okay, now I'm gonna hit it with a torch. Just popping air bubbles, and if any other cells want to come up, this is where they will. Oh, I really like this white stripe that's in here. I think that's going to be really pretty. Kind of hard to see with the light, but I think some other cells will come up. I like that I use the 4 cups for the paint as well, so that I don't have to stretch it too much, but if I want, I can kind of tilt some off. Okay. Here I go, wish me luck. I'm going to tilt up and over first. Slow. The paint back to the center. Over to the side, down. Oh my gosh, I'm loving this one. So I want to bring the paint back, straighten my lines out. And straight down and tilt some of that off. Wow, you guys, I love this. I really love this one. Fix up my corners. Wow, these cells, this lacing right in here, this is literally really pretty. I love the color combination, I always do. The blues never disappoint me. You want to make sure always that you don't leave too much paint on the canvas because it will crack if it's too thick. Tilt just a little bit more. Over and then down. I love it. The little trick is to tilt and see if your paint keeps moving. And if your paint doesn't move that much, then it's probably not going to crack. That means that it's thin enough on the canvas that it's good. And as the paint drips down the sides, it creates the same design. Love it.